First, use a tool to pry off the faceplate. Press and pull out this cable on the right side. Then, use a T20 screwdriver to remove the 4 screws in the picture. Next, unplug the display screen connection cable. Here, be careful to hold the buckle and wiggle it left and right to unplug the connection cable. Next step, remove the side cover on the passenger side. Use an 8mm socket to remove the screws. Use a special tool to pull out the CD player. Unplug all the plugs behind the CD player. Use an 8mm socket tool to remove the screws inside the storage box. Then, use an 8mm socket tool to remove the screws at the bottom of the storage box. Next, unplug the storage box connection cable. Use a special tool to pull out the host panel. Press the plug buckle and pull upwards to unplug the power connection cable. Connect the power cable to the adapter cable. Then, insert the adapter cable into the device's power interface. Thread the main power harness from the host compartment and out from under the passenger side. Leave the USB cable outside. Thread the other cables back into the radio compartment from under the passenger side. Connect them according to the video, and then thread the other end of the radio plug from the radio compartment to under the passenger side. Press the buckle to unplug the original car gateway plug and connect the adapter plug. Plug the other end of the adapter cable back into the original car gateway plug. Put the CD host cable into the storage box. Plug in the storage box interface. Cover the panel and use an 8mm socket tool to tighten the screws. Cover the side panel. Plug in the CD player plug tightly and reinstall it. Note, if this CD player host is not plugged in and installed tightly, the original car information will not be displayed. Use an 8mm socket tool to install the bottom screws of the storage box. Reinstall the media host and pull out the installation tool. Expose the 3 required cables, with 2 of the cables passing through the cover plate. Next, install the iron cover plate. Note that the protruding side of the cover plate faces outwards and the double hole side faces upwards. Then, tighten the 4 fixing screws. When installing the decorative faceplate, you need to check whether your car has the original car airbag light. This is what the original car looks like without the airbag light. This is what the original car looks like with the airbag light. If the original car has an airbag light, turn it to the on position, otherwise turn it to the other side. Because the demonstration vehicle does not have an airbag light, we turn the switch to the other end and then connect and install. Thread the wires that pass through the iron cover plate through the radio decorative panel. Tighten the 4 screws to fix it. Insert and install the device on-site according to the corresponding holes. Install and fix it from top to bottom. If our video is helpful to you, please give us a like.